Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll explain how to add the AR scanner feature for iOS on the augmented reality page in your app. So let's get started. Go to our no-code app building platform. If you have already created an app, log into your account and go to Manage and Edit to add augmented reality page to your app. If you have not yet created an app, click on Get Started to build your app. Here we'll show you how you can add the augmented reality page to your new app. First, enter your business name here and click on Next. Then enter the purpose of your app and click on Next. Based on the app purpose you mentioned, the system will add certain pages to your app. Now click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. Once you have selected the desired pricing plan and installed the app, all of our features will be unlocked. Click on Start Editing to add the augmented reality page to your app. If you see that the augmented reality page is already added to your app, click on it. Otherwise, click on View All, search for the augmented reality page, and click on it to add it to your app. The existing app users can add the augmented reality page into their app in the exact same way. Now let's take a look at everything you can do with the newly added augmented reality page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it to fit your needs. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid color or an outline for your icon, or even an image from our library, or your own custom image for your icon. You can even upload 2 different images for mobile apps and websites. Let's move on to the Add AR Content section now. Click on the AR scanner for iOS feature to add it. From here, you need to provide the target name. From here, you can delete the feature. Click on the target image to upload the image. Now select the action you want to perform on the uploaded target image. Here you will see 6 options: image, 3D image, PDF, text, video, and website, of which you can select your desired action to fit your needs. Let's add an image. From here you can change its icon and upload your own custom icon. If you want, you can add the image from a specific URL or upload an image from your device. Click on the Add More Actions to add multiple actions. Let's select video this time. From here, you can change its icon or upload your own custom icon. If you want, you can add the video from a specific URL or upload a video from your device. From here, you can delete the action. Next comes the advanced settings. Here you will see the option of autoplay. If you want, you can enable autoplay in your AR app from here. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned with AppyPie for the latest updates.